Okay, so in this very short video, we're still working on the naming rules, but we're going to look at the names and write the formula. Now, something you should immediately notice is that these first three, they cross the stairs. So when we write their formulas, we're going to have to make sure they're equal to 0, that all the cards cancel each other out, that all the charges cancel each other out. If you look at number 4, it doesn't cross the stairs. Okay? It's from what we would call rule number 3. So this one doesn't have to equal 0. But these first 3 do. If you don't know what that means, I'm a little bit concerned, but we're going to do it, and that's why we're doing this video. That's what this is for. Sodium oxide. We're going to say to ourselves, sodium has a charge of, what's the charge for that? +1. And oxide meant it was oxygen. The charge for oxygen is -2. So what formula would you end up with? That's correct. You would need 2 sodium cards and 1 oxygen card. So I'm going to draw these like we're playing the card game. You would end up needing 2 sodium cards and 1 oxygen card. So that formula is Na2O. All right? Let's try this next one. Copper 3 fluoride. What is this 3 telling you? You use the Roman numeral for the charge. So tell me this. Copper 3. That means we have a copper card, and tell me something about it. +3 charge. That is what copper 3 is. Copper 3 is copper +3. Fluorine or fluoride. What's the charge on a fluorine card? So how many fluorines are we going to need? Yeah, we're going to need a total of 3. I guess I'm running out of room here. So we'd need 1 copper. We'd need 1 copper and 3 fluorine cards. So that ends up being CuF3. Okay? No problem. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Number 3, magnesium, chlorate. When you see this 8 here on the end, that means it's a polyatomic ion that you will look up on page 7. Chlorate looks like this. ClO3 with a -1. That's what chlorate is. Magnesium, we know, is Mg. And what's the charge on magnesium every time? Magnesium is right here. It's in group 2. So the charge on magnesium is +2. So this does not balance out. What are we going to need? Yeah, we're going to need another chlorate card. So here we go. So we have 1 magnesium card and 2 chlorate cards, MgClO3, parentheses. We need 2 of those cards. Okay? The last one. This one right here is rule number 3. You don't have to do any math to come up with the formula. You just read it and write down what it says. What does dinitrogen mean? It means N2. And what does disulfide mean? S2. Dinitrogen, disulfide. Dinitrogen, disulfide. That's it in a nutshell. That is the easiest review of these. And they will again be on Friday's test.